Every opportunity naman na binibigay sa amin ng SPP and the rest of the coaches, ini-embrace na talaga namin and nilook forward talaga namin kasi it will help us develop individually and it will help us din sa 5-on-5 din namin. It's all about guts and grit and grind dito sa 3x3. Kasi sa 5-on-5, actually, the same lang naman siya nakakapagod. Kasi lahat naman ng sports nakakapagod eh. But mas challenging lang for 3x3 because after you made a shot, you're gonna defend right away. Parang dapat in a right condition ka lang eh, mentally and physically. We take this milestone for us kasi we all know na from different schools kami or from different pro leagues kami. But di namin iniisip yung kung saan kami nanggaling. But we really want to represent Philippines. That's why we played as one and we just really want to win. That's it.